After video recording to the simple pendulum motion, we now ready to calculate the periodic time by help of movie maker program. After that, go to graph the result between period and length of pendulum to get the slope of the relationship between period and length, where the relationship between them is a linear relationship. To do this step, we have to prepare first of all the video films and screen of advanced movie maker or normal or simple movie maker and Microsoft Excel page and mathematical program. We will use here the program of Curve Expert number 1.3. It's old, but at the same time we can use it. The first work now, we have to import one of the video the length of this 40 centimeter, and we will try to calculate the period from the timer of this program. First of all, try to play and calculate the period by stopwatch, or manually. It's better for us to use manually method by a slow play key on the right and on the left, by click on the slow play key slowly. The timer now 0. The pendulum at equilibrium point. We will try to move it to the maximum point from right or from left. No problem. Continue with me. Click on the slow play key slowly. And adjust the pole or the pop at the maximum point. It seem at the timer equals 0.43 seconds. Now we will make the mass to move from its place to another maximum place and go back to the same position, which means it was doing one cycle. Follow. Click slowly. Go through. Adjust exactly the maximum point. The time on the timer of the program 1.63. The time at the timer of program is 1.63, but we began from 0.40, which means we have to subtract 1.63 from 40. Remain will be the period. Then the period is 1.21 seconds. Try to do the second cycle. Yes, this is the second cycle to 0.83 minus 0.40 remain 2.43 divided by 2, we will get the period. Which will be 1.21 second. Try to do the third cycle. By clicking at the slow play key, for 4.20 minus 0.40, the remain divided by 3. We will get a new value of the period, which will be nearly 1.24 second. This is the result of the first video. Of course, we will repeat our work on the remaining videos. Now we have to go to analyze the result at the Microsoft page. Here is our result. The first column is the length. The third column is the period, and the second is t square of the period. Of course, we have to prepare t square to graph the relationship between t square and length. Press at the column of length by mouse and the column of t square. Go to the title bar and choose Insert. And go to the list of chart. Choose Scatter chart. Press it. The chart will you will see the chart on the sheet of the Excel page. Try to prepare our work. Yeah. Now at any point press by pointer of mouse, you will see all point become like flower, and by the pointer of mouse click right at any point and go to list. At least you will see the sentence add trend line. Press add trend line. You will see half page, format trend line, and you will see all figure, and this is our choice, linear relationship between t square and L. Go to the bottom of this list and choose this display equation on a chart. Display equation on a chart. Immediately you will see the equation on the chart. Close this list and go to see the equation. Magnify it. You will see the relationship between t square, here y, and L, here x. This number is very important. This is the slope. This is the slope of this linear equation, which represent a straight line. Its slope equal 4.01. We need to this number. Take this number and go to your equation. J equal 4 by square t square divided by L, which is m, physical slope from experiment. Then j equal 4 pi square, m now equal 4.01, which mean divide 3 39,04384 divided by slope, which equal 4.01 equal 9.835 meter per square s, which means this is the value of gravity experimentally. Graphs between t square and L. Immediately we will get to the linear equation and linear line, straight line. We will take this number and put it at its place to get the gravity. Now let us go to another way to graph t square versus L with the same steps. Insert and choose the chart. After choosing the chart, choose any point and click right, add trend line. From the list of trend line, go to the bottom and choose display equation on chart. We will get this relation. This relation also is a straight line, linear equation between now here L now L at the vertical axis and t square at the horizontal axis. The slope is 0.24, nearly 24 or 25. Our relation Our ready of j now is ready. 4 pi square equal L divided by t square, which is equal 0.24. Take this number and put it at its place, which is equal 0.2444, multiply by 4 pi square, which is 39.438 equal 90835 meter per square second. This is the second way. If we go back to the mathematical program, we will go to analyze our result by mathematical program. Put our result at the x-axis, which means the length of pendulum, and at y the values of t square. The values of L and here t square, and you will see the result appear immediately at the chart. Press at the chart, at this chart, which means a graph of a straight line. Graph a straight line. There are many charts here. Click at the chart with straight line. Yes. This is the relationship between t square and the length of the pendulum. Where is the equation? Only need to press at this key, info. Press at info. Yeah, this is the relationship between t square and L, where B is the slope. What is B here? This is B. B equal 3.67 because there are a mistake here. We write 1.63 instead of 1.21, which mean B have to be 4.01. By this way, we analyze our result and get J, which equal 9.538. And now we will go to the last step to calculate the error. It is necessary to calculate the error of experiment. To calculate the errors with logarithm method, take the logarithm of two sides of J equation. We will get log ln J equal ln 4 pi square plus ln n minus 2 ln t. We take ln, you can also take log here. Take the differential of two sides of this logarithm relation. We will get dj over j equal 0 plus dl divided by L minus 2 dt divided by t. Here dj nearly equal delta j, the change in j, which means the mean value of the absolute error. According this, we can rewrite this relation delta j over j equal delta d over L plus instead of minus, because we take the absolute value here according to error theory, 2 delta t divided by t equal 0.01, the smallest value at the scale of the ruler, divided by 40, the length of the pendulum, plus 2, also delta t equal 0.01, the smallest value at the scale of movie maker program provided divided by 1.21. Calculating these fractions, we will get delta j over j equal 0.016 and delta j finally equal 0.165 meter per s square. We can write now j equal 9.83 plus or minus because we take the largest value and the smallest value of j. Meter per s square, we take here 3 number and here 2 number because the error in the third number. This is the final result of our experiment. There are another way, easy way to calculate delta j from the experimental result and the theoretical result. If we subtract experimental result 0.3 from theoretical value, we'll get the change in j or the mean value of the absolute error. This is the end of our experiment. Thanks.